Hello, this is Jan from Shecco. We are here at Chillventa 2018 in Nuremberg. And I'm here with Hans Ole from Danfoss to talk about the retail solution for the European stores, convenience stores and supermarket. Can you tell us a little bit more about your take when it comes to the solutions for the small format stores based on natural refrigerants?
Yeah, sure. So we think there's a natural refrigerant solution for any format of store, basically. We see for large stores, transcritical CO2 systems becoming the choice. Also very efficient, both from a cost point of view and also from an energy and environmental point of view, a very good choice. If we look at the smaller formats, so that could be discounters and down, so small stores, we see that there are two different technologies that could apply there. So one is semi-plug-in technology with propane, or could also be with CO2, and also modular CO2 systems, so mini booster type, mini pack type systems. For convenience, we see that there is a big development in the market for CO2 condensing units. So quite exciting things going on. So basically, there is a solution now for any format.
We have come a long way last 10 years when it comes to CO2 hydrocarbons for retail in Europe. Where is the price in comparison with HFC solutions? Are we close to the parity on these systems?
Yeah, so that's an interesting question, because what we see actually is that some of our customers, they state that CO2 is actually cheaper now.
Okay.
So when you take into consideration that the piping is smaller, that there's scale on the evaporators now, the cases, the material is actually less for CO2 than it is for other refrigerants. So valves are smaller, line size is smaller, insulation material is less. So we are at parity, I would say, in Europe, and maybe even better. Yeah.
This year, Chillventa, this is the biggest show for natural refrigerants probably ever. We have counted close to 30 manufacturers that are manufacturing CO2 transcritical units on display.
Yeah.
What's next? What will be next years happening in this sector when it comes to food retail natural refrigerants? Do you see some new technologies coming to the market?
I mean, there's always new technologies coming, so we'll keep it exciting. But certainly one of the things that is new this year and will be growing coming years are the, let's say, adaptive liquid management systems. So where we're using ejectors in different ways than we've used them previously. So both for pumping liquid or moving liquid in the system and further reducing the energy consumption of supermarkets. And then heat recovery is another thing that will be really blooming, I think, and integration to the district energy systems, whether it's electrical energy or district heating systems. Supermarkets are a big consumer of energy, but they could also be a big producer of energy. So whether it's solar power on the roofs or it's heating in the stores, this is going to be really a revolution coming, I think.
Ejectors, they have become a standard technology by now. How many ejectors in operation we have now globally? Can you give us some estimate?
I wouldn't say that ejectors are standard technology yet, but it's headed in that direction. So we still have some challenges of making it more simple to understand ejectors and more simple to manage. We think that we're doing that with the newest releases, but there's a lot of training still to be done. We have now over 300 ejector systems in the field running very well, saving energy. But it's only a handful of OEMs that are still using ejector technology. So it'll take some time before it becomes standard.
Yeah. Europe being your biggest market still, I believe, when it comes to food retail natural refrigerants, what's the next market that you are focusing on?
Yeah. So actually we see parallel developments all over the world. Some regions developing faster than others. So I was speaking with some of our customers from New Zealand that they also see developments because of legislation, first and foremost. It's really pushing CO2, that you're not really allowed to use anything else. So We see pockets here and there, but certainly North America, Australia, Pacific, Latin America, some of those regions that will be growing very fast with CO2. Yeah.